Welcome back to Lifern. Today I'm doing a little overview of this game right here. It Takes Two. It's on PS4 and PS5. It's about $20 to $40 depending on which platform you buy it on, and it is a co-op game. It's a perfect game to demonstrate your teamwork with another person. You can either play it next to the other person in the same household, or you can invite a person from a separate household onto your account and you guys play with a split screen like this. A great thing about this game is that you don't have to pay an extra $20 to $40 to play as a secondary person. You just get invited to the gameplay and you finish your missions that way. The storyline here is that this couple, Cody and May, are about to get a divorce, and their daughter Rose is in so much distraught that they fall into a deep sleep after she wishes that her parents get back together, or they find a way to work things out. And so they shrink into her world of toys and mischief, and here they are trying to battle things out and get back to the real world. As you see here, we have separate controls. So Cody has his control, May has her control, and in order to accomplish even something as small as lifting this vent right here, both of the players are going to have to work together, hence the name It Takes Two. Overall, this is a 5 out of 5 game full of graphics and adventure, so go ahead and try it out yourself.